Well, my name's Elliot. I'm from Miami, Florida. I'm currently studying electrical engineering at the University of Michigan. So what I've been doing here in Madrid has been working with FEM Expert for electrical engineering work. And what we've been doing specifically is installing sensors in an autonomous car. It's called the NEVA project, and it's a really cool opportunity that I'm excited to be a part of. It's definitely been a new opportunity for me to expand my horizons and learn how to work with groups from different backgrounds. But I'd say the greatest opportunity I've had is to get a glimpse of what my life can be like in the future. I'm currently studying in university, so my schedule is not what you'd really see in reality. But here I got a taste of what it's like to manage your own living situation, to try and communicate with people and make fun trips on weekends and keep life lively. And of course to balance all that with the work that I'm doing, which I really enjoy, but I find it being practical, way more so than I've ever had before. So it's a combination of new challenges and opportunities to do great things that I've had here that I've learned a lot from. I think that when I was finding the Intern Group, they presented to me a lot of flexibility with how I could approach my job. The fact that they were willing to explore options with me and they had a really good team of professionals finding these companies, I think really helped me feel confident in choosing the Intern Group. I definitely feel that the Intern Group has a good balance of resources and opportunities to get to meet people, while also giving you enough flexibility that you can learn on your own and try things out without having to follow a schedule. Madrid has a lot of things going for it. It's a young city, for one, and being there on the first day, I kind of realized from how many people were walking around, both locals and tourists, that there was a lot of action in the city. At any given moment, you'll see people playing songs on the streets. I've seen orchestras at some point just along Gran Via playing for people. And of course, they have mercados and other very public areas where you can watch around and see what there is to offer. The city is very historied, it's large, and there's a lot to do. So I'd say that if you're looking for a good opportunity to see the more social side of life, and to understand how that balances with work life in other countries, Madrid is second to none. For starters, a lot of practical experience. This opportunity was unique from the other ones that I've had prior. I've done several years of internship opportunities, but unlike before, being able to work in another country has given me insights on understanding that people from different cultural backgrounds might have a different workflow. So if I were to recruit myself to any company in the future, I definitely try to emphasize that skill set now that I've had it and explain what the value is, because I don't think a lot of companies, at least in the US even, realize the benefit of having people with multicultural backgrounds. It's that you get out what you give. If you wait to reach out for opportunities, to make plans to go to places, to go to whatever Copa event there is, to reach out and connect with your peers, it's gonna slip by. So you have to be the one to initiate, you have to be the one to try and reach out. Even on the first day, while you're getting used to living here and getting used to your apartment space alone, I found it so much more comfortable when I decided to meet other people who were also new to the program on that first day. I remember that's what made the difference between me feeling more comfortable and more confident versus feeling maybe less confident and more nervous. So to any people coming into this program, I'd say give it all you got. From the get-go, reach out, try and see who's interested in doing what, and make every second count.